Hi, welcome to the practice questions on how to expand and simplify brackets. These questions should give you the opportunity to demonstrate what you've learned from the lesson. What you should do now is pause the video, have a go at all of the questions. When you're happy with your answers, then start the video and look through all the model answers and see if you've made any mistakes. Pause the video now. Okay, question 1. Right, what we've got two sets of single brackets that we need to multiply out. So if we start off, we're going to start by timesing 3 by the 6. 3 times 6x gives us 18x. And then 3 times the 2 gives us 6. Then move on to the second set of brackets. We've got a positive 4 times 8, which gives us 32x. And then we'd finish off by doing the 4 times the 3, which gives us 12. We can now simplify the x terms. 18x add 32x gives us 50x. And we can then simplify the number terms. 6 add 12 gives us 18. 50x add 18. Question 2. Start off again by doing 5 times 3x, which gives us 15x. And then 5 times negative 4 gives us negative 20. Now this time we've got to assume, because there's not a number outside of the bracket here, we assume that that number is the number 1. So if I just fit in a 1 there in red, now we can multiply the second set of brackets out. Negative 1 times 2x gives us negative 2x. And then negative 1 times negative 3 is going to give us a positive 3. We now simplify our x terms to give us 15x minus 2x leaves us with 13x. And then negative 20 add 3 takes us up the number line to negative 17. Question 3. We've now got a set of double brackets, so we use the FOIL method. So FOIL method, remember, is front first, 5x times 3x, which is going to give us 15x squared. Then we do outer. 5x times 4 gives us 20x. And then the inner, minus 2 times 3x gives us minus 6x. And then the last, minus 2 times 4 gives us minus 8. If we now simplify just the x terms, remember, we're left with 15x squared. 20x take away 6x gives us a positive 14x. And then we've got the 8 on the end. Okay, last question, question 4. Same type of question. 2x times 4x gives us 8x squared. And then 2x times minus 3 gives us minus 6x. Then we move on to the 5. 5 times 4x gives us 20x. And finally 5 times negative 3 gives us a negative answer, negative 15. Group together the x terms in the middle there. Our final answer becomes 8x squared minus 6, add 20, takes us from negative into positive, which gives us plus 14x, and then finally the minus 15.